Nico, 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 Tia TV.
Subscribe! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this look. Because I have my robe on here, guys. I feel like I'm about to get married. You know, like when women have their robes on and they just got their hair, makeup done. That is what I feel like. Ugh. So this video is sponsored by Cynosure Hair, and they have provided this wig, and it is a 24-inch body wave transparent lace wig. I mean, this morning I had such a hard time with this wig. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I was stressed the beat out. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I received this wig and I don't know how I'm feeling about it, to be honest. I'd just like to say, if there's any hairstylists that are watching this and you want to come live with me, there is a spare room for you, because at this point I cannot be bothered. What am I even meant to do? I have to pluck the whole of this. Who can even pluck at this point? What? I have to pluck the whole thing. Oh no, guys, this is not what I signed up for. Because I think 26 would probably be like here. So I think it's a 20. Oh my god, I have to pluck it. I can't be bothered. But on the bright side, the hair is so soft and the waves in this are so nice. I don't want to comb it out, but I know I'm gonna have to eventually. I might have it curly today, but yeah. Oh, all right, let me start this plucking. But they came through. I mean, if you guys put the work in, you can achieve this. But yeah, this morning, like, I was having a nightmare. This looks plucked, but it's actually not. So I'm gonna do this off camera. Yeah, I just want to do this quick and speedy. When I come back, hopefully she'll be done. So this is the hair that has been plucked out. It's so much, like, I've never plucked this much hair in a wig ever. Okay, so now we're here. Did everything off camera because you guys have seen me do this loads of times. I'm actually quite impressed. I was really stressed before, but I like it now. It's good. Right, anyway, let's just start. So I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved this look. So first of all, I'm gonna start off by blow drying it, because I did wash the hair after I bleached it. So here we go. Done. Okay, I don't know if I should do a middle parting or a side parting. I'm stuck. No, bitch, you need to get your nails done. You know you need to get your nails done when the hair goes in your nail. Ew. Okay, so I'm using this Remington curling wand. I actually don't know what it's called. Oh, I don't know if I should do middle parting or side parting. Oh my gosh. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. What is that? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch yourself by the toe, you are not it. Like, I should be using a comb, but this is the ghetto. Alright, so first section your hair into two. The side that you're not doing, like, just make sure it doesn't get in your way. So what I do is, now I plait it. Okay, make sure it's combed out. Before I start curling, what I do is flatten the hair down. Oh, and by the way, quickly, I didn't cut no baby hairs. I didn't cut anything. I literally just swooped the hair back. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I don't know what type of look I'm going for. We're just going for it. So section a piece, and when I'm curling the back, I start like in the middle of this bunch, and then hold. I hold for like 15 seconds, and then let it fall into my hand, and then hold like 10 seconds, and voila. I don't know if you can see, but this is the kill. Section, brush, curl. So again, I'm starting in the middle. Usually I make the curls really tight, but I really don't want to make it tight today. And then hold, 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 and then drop. Section, comb, curl. I'm really digging my lips today. I always do gloss, and I thought, you know what, let me switch it up. And also I brought back the white eyeliner on my days, guys. I used to wear wow, English. I used to wear white eyeliner every single day, and you guys cuss me every single day. I really like it. Okay, so curl, hold, 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 and then drop. I want to curl it away from my face. It looks trash, but hopefully it will look nice after. Time to move on to the next side. I'm gonna speed it up because this is just ridiculous. So I will check you guys when it's done. I'm gonna open it up and run my fingers with some care. Open it up small. Just a little bit, This is the company, Cynosure Hair. Like, I don't know why there's flyaways. Even though I like it flat here, I really like it like bouncy. You just try flip it. Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh, we was always doing side. What? That's a trick. This is a new trick, guys. So do a middle part in, curl both sides outwards, and then do a flip. Oh my gosh. This is rude. This is rude. No one can talk to me. Do you know what's like making me mad? It's the swoosh. How did I get such a swoosh? Just to hold the curls, I'm gonna use this. Got to be lasting freeze thingy, whatever it is. I'm finished now. I'm gonna leave everything I've used in the description box. I'm really happy with how this has turned out. So Cynosure Hair, thank you very much, and thanks for sponsoring this video. At the beginning I was a bit, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you. Olga's gonna walk in a minute. Let's catch his reaction. Why is it taking so long to come upstairs? He's coming.
Okay. Yeah, go on then. Oh wow, okay. Oh how?
Is that it?
You look wonderful.